Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily delete data from an app on your Sharp 50 TV. So first, let's start off by going to all settings. Now scroll down until you see apps, and here click see all apps and find an app that you want to delete the data in. So for me, it will be Canal Plus. Now let's scroll down until we see the clear data, and now click OK on your TV remote and click OK. So now the data is cleared. As you guys can see, the cache is cleared fully, and some data is still left, but we won't be able to delete all of that. So there's something that is irrelevant left. So this is how you guys can do that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.